Alrighty, folks, welcome to Stormtopia.com and the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. It is December 19th, and I just got done with the holiday shopping. If you're out there shopping, really, I would say, do it within the next 24 to 36 hours before we deal with the storm system moving through, because we only have one day of peace and quiet left as this large storm pushes east in our direction with heavy plowable snow and a nor'easter on the way. Now, Thursday ends up being okay. Temperatures in the 30s in the North Country, 40s farther south into some of the New England and the Mid-Atlantic. It's a good day to get any last-minute holiday shopping done. If you're heading out to work, it should be just fine. The only chance you might run into a problem is in eastern New England, where you could deal with an isolated snow shower or rain shower. Fog will also be possible along the coast. Now check this out as we get farther into time. This is by about should be about 2 p.m. on Thursday. We got a low pressure center right around Chicago. Heavy snow blizzard conditions across a lot of the Midwest. Heavy rain pushing east. 2 a.m. on Friday morning, that heavy rain is beginning to come up into the Mid-Atlantic, and its advance into southern New England comes out through the morning hours. It starts raining in places like Boston and Hartford at around 6 or 7 in the morning, but the real heavy stuff doesn't move through until the afternoon, followed by a quick change over to snow, which produces a few inches or less. This whole time it's snowing wet snow across upstate New York back into northern New England, where I wouldn't be surprised to see some folks getting power outages, down trees, things like that as a result of the wet snow accumulation. Keep in mind that the accumulations at this point are still somewhat preliminary, but I have more confidence as I would with some other storms because I have decent confidence considering how far out this thing is. Now, this is the map for Friday. Again, low pressure center moving across, gusty winds, heavy rain in southern New England, plowable snow off to the north, and gusty and cold on the backside in the Mid-Atlantic. Snow accumulations. This is just preliminary for now. Looks like most of the I-95 cities get a trace or really nothing at all. A few inches in the suburbs, 5 to 10 inches across upstate New York, central western Pennsylvania, back into northern New England. Some folks will probably end up with a foot, maybe even 15 inches in some isolated locales. It really depends on what models you look at. Some models really only have 6 to 8 inches on the high end. Some models have 12 to 14 inches on the high end. That's the kind of discrepancy that we deal with 72 hours out. Expect snow to be accumulating lightly on top of what we see on Friday throughout the weekend. That's it for now. Have a good day.